to earn 10,000 passive income from your property? This is not a dream. 1-room unit too small? 2-room unit less profitable? 3-room unit not worth it? Don't worry, let's see our penthouse. I know investing in a bungalow house is too costly, location too far, and return is low. Don't worry, it's better by penthouse. Not only you get full sea view, but also a city view facilities podium view due to the multi-window and balconies it has. So, you can enjoy all views from the top. You don't have to manage it by yourself, no need to worry about unit design, also no need to worry about not having tenants. We will serve you from choosing unit, get your penthouse key, unit design, and also start your homestay business. We will handle all for you. We have decoration team to design a premium ID for you. We got a very experienced superhost homestay professional management team to manage your unit for a long term. Investor able to monitor your monthly passive income through the owner management system. As long as it's convenient for you, we will give you whatever you want. Our project is located in Kota Laksamana, just 5 to 10 minutes away from Jonga Street. If you are not familiar with Melaka, it doesn't matter. This is the only way to come to Melaka city center because all hotspot areas are surround this building. Your tenant will definitely choose to live here because this is the center interchange. It is convenient to go anywhere. Regardless your tenant go to Melaka Red House, St. Paul's, Kota Laksamana, Kota Shabanda, or 5 delicious food and drinks, they are all in this area. No matter which type of penthouse you choose, as long as your tenant have fun, you can always make more money. It doesn't cost you 2 million or 1 million. You can buy it from 700,000 to 900,000, even cheaper than 3-bedroom apartment in KL. With a monthly installment of 6,000 plus, you can get a return of 9,000 to 10,000. What are you waiting for? Find out now. I'm Young. See you soon.